beautiful beach, everybody. Yeah, I will go here first. Hello beach lovers, so this is our fourth beach that we were going to show you here in Koh Lanta. So this beach is named Beautiful Beach. Here in Beautiful Beach there are a lot of coconut trees, and it's also same as in Relax Beach, because they have not many people here, but it's different here because they don't have the sunbeds, no umbrella. You cannot see umbrella here, so you have to lay down wherever you want on the shade or here exposed to the sun. So this beach is very small, so you can, it's also there are also many rocks. So let's start from here. So this is the beach. No, they have big space here, you know. They can easily build a building. It's summer already here in Thailand. This is Koh Lanta, and this is part of Thailand. It's not that shallow here. Very relaxing beach here. I don't know, the small their small beach here. Every end of the beach, each end of the beach, there are a lot of rocks. Yeah, and it's clear water, green, very green. Easy to, you know, easy to covered, and it's not really boring. You can bring your kids here. Here in Koh Lanta, the food here is not that expensive the place where you're gonna stay. And look, they are fishing here. So funny. There you go. The waves here is a bit crazy. Speedboat! I saw the speedboat over there. Now I will go to the rocks again. So, because in the rocks you will really see the whole beach. Look, I'm sure many people climb here on these rocks. Among all the rocks, this is the big one. See? You can also snorkeling here, but here I just noticed that there is no water sports here. We already covered 3 beaches and I still never saw a look at my hand. The wind blow my head. So this is beautiful beach. Welcome to beautiful beach, beach lovers. See you in our next video. Wait, let me get my hat because the wind blew my hat. I get it now. Hi. Oh my gosh, it's summer. It's really summer here. So this is perfect for everyone to visit Thailand. So many crabs over there. You cannot see clearly because crabs and the rocks here are the same color. See? Bye. Thank you for watching.